Hi guys, in this episode we're going to talk about converting improper fractions to a mixed number fraction with Mr. C. I will be teaching you two ways of doing this. One way will be through division, and the other method I will use is going to be through repetition, and I will tell you more about that in a minute. So these are the two ways you're going to learn how to do it. So let's begin by doing it through division. Let me zoom this in here. Let's see, we want it right there. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to divide the numerator, which is this one, by the denominator, which is this one. We're going to say 5 into 17. And we know that 5 fits into 17 3 times. So 5 times 3 is 15, subtract, and 17 minus 15 is 2. So you have a remainder of 2, which pretty much means this. So you have 3 whole numbers, and then you have 2 fifths. So the fraction here ends up being 3 and 2 fifths. So you've converted 17 fifths into 3 and 2 fifths. Now let's try it the repetition way. So let me go over here, and we're going to try this through the repetition way. I'm going to erase all this. And let's go ahead and begin. So basically, what you have learned is that when we have the same numerator as the same denominator, that means a whole number. So 5 fifths plus 5 fifths makes 10 fifths, right? Plus 5 fifths more makes 15 fifths. I can't put another 5 fifths because it would be 20 fifths. And that's too much. I want to get to 17 fifths. So this is 15 fifths. And I would need 2 more to make 17. So the way you can look at it is this is one whole, this is one whole, and this is one whole. Okay, so that makes 3. Wait, let me back up. Let me erase this so you don't get confused. Let me do it in a different color. This makes 3. And then we said that we need 2 more, right? On here to make, look what I just did. So there's 3 wholes and 2 fifths. The reason that there's 2 still there is because, remember, we only got to 15, and you needed 2 more. And so you have 2, and the denominator is 5. So it's 2 fifths. So let's look back at what we did to 17 fifths here. The first method that we did was through division. And so 17 fifths, so we said that 5 fits into 17 3 times. So you can make 5, 5, 5. That makes 3. And you had 2 left over. So that made it 3 and 2 fifths. Okay? And then the other way is we remembered how to make whole numbers out of fractions. And we said that 5 fifths plus 5 fifths plus 5 fifths makes 15 fifths. That is 3 wholes. 1, 2, 3 whole numbers. And then we add the 2 left over, which makes it 2 fifths. All right? So we're going to finish up with giving you one to try on your own. And you're going to pause the video, and I want you to see how you do. So I'm going to give you 5 halves. Now remember that I told you 2 ways that you could do this. You could do it through division or through repetition. So go ahead and try it and pause the video now. Okay, you ready for the answers? All right, so to check your work, I'm just going to do it the repetition way. So 5/2, you know that 2 over 2 is 1. So there's 1 whole plus another 2/2. That's 2 plus 2 is 4, so 4/2. I don't think I can do another one, so I have 1/2 left over. And so that makes 1, 2, and a half. So my answer is going to be 2.5. And that's what you should have gotten. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to go to cieloskid.com. Bye.